Ever wondered if your morning coffee ritual could benefit more than just your energy levels? Today we unlock the secret to a lush garden with something that's probably in your kitchen right now. Yes, we're talking about coffee grounds. Coffee grounds, often discarded without a second thought, are actually a hidden treasure trove of nutrients. Rich in nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, they also contain essential micronutrients like magnesium and copper. Adding coffee grounds to your garden can enhance soil structure, aiding in water retention and drainage. This is particularly beneficial for clay soils. If you're an avid composter, coffee grounds are a green material, meaning they're nitrogen rich and can help heat up your compost pile, breaking down organic matter more quickly. However, it's important to use coffee grounds correctly. Overloading your soil with coffee grounds can cause more harm than good, leading to issues such as clumping and mold growth. Instead, mix them into your compost or lightly sprinkle them around your plants. You may have heard that the coffee grounds can acidify your soil. However, used coffee grounds are actually quite neutral in pH. They won't drastically change your soil's acidity, making them suitable for most plants. If you are growing acid-loving plants, fresh coffee grounds could be more beneficial. But the benefits of coffee grounds don't stop there. Anecdotal evidence suggests that coffee grounds can deter common garden pests, such as slugs and snails. While results may vary, it's a natural method worth exploring before turning to harsher chemical solutions. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, consider giving your used coffee grounds a second life in the garden. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for your green space. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of coffee grounds in the garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own experiences with coffee grounds in the comments. Until next time, keep brewing and growing.